Hello guys, today's we unboxing a new product which comes from HUION brand. Basically this is a graphics tablet and its model basically HS64. If you are a graphics designer, teacher or a student, then this product will change your life. How? We will discussing in video. Or basically this is a graphics tablet, not a medicine. ठीक है ना? Medicine नहीं भाई. I'm using it from last 1 month and I will share my experience with you. In this video we will discussing each and every feature of HUION HS64. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's break the seal and start our unboxing. But before that, if you don't get any type of seal so then you can replace or return it easily. At the top, first we get our main graphics tablet. Its quality looks awesome. Let's keep it on the one side and see what accessories we get with it. Here we get some extra nibs which we can use later after damaging one, but it's not going to spoil so quickly. We will using not damaging. And here we get also a very high quality 3.0 OTG connector which we can use for connecting purpose. And this is our main pen. We call it as a Stylus. Its quality is also very good and it's very lightweight, only 15 grams. It's very important. We don't want to touch here, otherwise we spoil its nib. Look at its build quality, it looks awesome. It made with plastic and rubber, that's why its grip is very good. And at the end we get a high quality USB cable for connecting purpose. Its quality is also very good. Let's unpack our graphics tablet and see how is the quality we get. Here build quality, its overall looks good and it's made with plastic, and at the bottom we get some rubber pad so that it doesn't slip on table. HUION branding at the top center looks very awesome, and we get some extra 4 buttons which we can use assign later according to our requirements as a shortcut. These are shortcut buttons we can assign later. We will discussing later, but before that let us quickly connect to our PC and later we will connect it to phone as well. We can connect it to our PC by this way. It's very easy to connect. Now we are ready to draw to our screen, but before that we need some driver and its software. Even if we don't download any software, here I can use it. But by downloading the software or HUION drivers, we will able to do some good modifications in it. That's why first we download its software. We can easily download its software from its official website. In this way, I will provide the link in the description so that you can download from it. In advance, I also download its manual from here to understand its features. After installing the software, the interface looks something like this. At the first glance, it may seem difficult, but it's not so that difficult. So without wasting any more time, let's understand its features one by one. So first of all, here we get to see some settings related to 4 buttons. These are default buttons and we can assign these 4 buttons as a shortcut key to do any task. We get many options here, as you can see. Here we can set any keyboard key combination or any mouse key combination. We can also set any key as a shortcut key to run any program directly. In this way we can set, and we can do many more things here. And the second option here is given as work area. By using this, we can set how much area we are going to use on a graphics tablet. Here there are 3 options given in the left bottom side, as you can see. If we set full screen, then we can use full screen on a graphics tablet. If we use screen ratio, then this uses our screen ratio. I don't like this option because this wasted some of the margins from top and bottom. If we use custom area, so we can set custom area according to your own requirement by using this way. But for now, full area is best for me. In the bottom right side, we can also change the orientation of the graphics tablet according to our own requirement. Now we are jump on a digital pen setting, and here in same way we can also set these 2 buttons as a default key to do any task. In this way, as I showed you earlier, you can assign any key to do any task or a shortcut key. Some more options are found in the left bottom side. I don't know what these 2 options do. Please tell me in the comment section what do these options. I know only about mouse mode option. Using this option we can change the sensitivity, or it's actually motion sensitivity just like mouse. We can increase the sensitivity or decrease the sensitivity just like our mouse. So let's jump on another setting that's called pressure sensitivity adjustment. Here you can see the graph between output and the pressure. Here the pressure means how much pressure are we putting on a graphics tablet while writing. According to us, we can make many changes in this graph. We can set how the thickness of the pen will change according to the pressure. There are some preset graphs given in the center, as you can see. We can also use them. In the right side window, you can see the pressure test option. Here we can test the thickness of our pen after manipulating graph's value. So before we end this tutorial, let's talk about one more important setting, and it's very important. In the top right side there is a option called all programs. I like this option very much because by using this option we can keep separate setting for each software. Yes guys, of course, that's why I like this option. All we have to do just by clicking on add program and we will able to add a new program here, and we will do separate setting for that. After all settings are complete, if we make a backup then it is a good thing. By clicking on a gear icon we can make backup very easily. By this way we make backup so that in future we can't lost any setting. So this is our small tutorial about this software. I hope you guys must have understood everything very well. तो ये था हमारा वीडियो हुआनो HS64 के बारे में। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर ही कर लेना, और फ्यूचर में वीडियोस आने वाले हैं और फटाफट से